This is not the first garage sale I stopped at, but this
called
is...
a 3-position high striker.
Yeah, looks like...
I have the clown one over here too for the little kids.
Were you a part of like any circuses or anything?
No, one of my clients was.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. Got 3 of them. He's got some tools.
One of my clients owned Rainbow Brothers Circus.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
He's got cotton candy machines. He's got all kinds of stuff. I have a snow cone machine. He's got the cotton candy. I got the high striker.
So the garage sales have been small today, or non-existent. There was one community sale that didn't happen, and another one just had like 2 sales in it. And they weren't even with videotaping. $20 is nice. He's got some nice shirts there.
Morning.
Hello. Selling any bicycles?
What's that?
Any bicycles for sale?
Bicycles? No.
Okay. Let's look at some of the other sales. There's 2 other sales locally here. This is a small community, and I've noticed that it's already been pillaged. The gates were open before I got here at 7:40. So, all the good stuff is gone already. Hello. Looks like they opened the gates early this morning.
Yeah.
I guess there was a line out there.
Oh, okay. Well, when I got there was no line, but yeah.
There was last year, but they didn't open early last year.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, thank you. We got some stuff across the street here. Got people browsing, window browsing. So it's pretty dismal here. Actually, that mop is pretty good. I don't know what that is. It's a nice mop. I have a mop somewhere like that, though. What's it?
Yeah,
This is cool.
Listen, I'm only
Asking $6,500 for this.
$300. You're not going to get it.
It's
They're
obviously
$800. If you go look up Coleman,
could be gas though.
they're $800.
Still, it's
I was
interesting.
hoping to do a good executive future. Very small.
Everything has become expensive.
A Honda EU, or if you want something a little different, I got something a little bigger. I got a 48 Win. WEN, that's another too, but they're more money. You know, they're 600. You know what I mean? And
It's got some good tools here, but
600 for me.
it's nice to look at, I guess, because everything is too expensive.
Here's what I feel.
Look at the engine. That's awesome.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if you can see. I might have one down here. Yeah, there's one down here. I can show what it looks like, but this is what I
These
would do.
pneumatic things are good, but I really need something that's...
Here's the good thing. Run it, start it, I'll plug a saw, I'll do whatever, and I will fog it out for you so you don't have to touch it. In other words, I would clean the carburetor, fog it out, so it's good for 2 years.
Yeah.
Easy 2 years. Okay, drain the gas will be out of it.
That's it. Alright, so... the garage sales today are really small and they're not worth videotaping. So is it rechargeable? Probably not. No. So a lot of paintball, a lot of sporting goods. Interesting music, but clothes. I almost bought 2 bathing suits earlier, but they were medium, and I really take large. Bows and arrows, that's it. This is what's called a bonus garage sale in the community because they didn't advertise. Looks like we have some police interceptor radios. That's a nice big nailer. I think I sold all my nails. Now if the price is right. How much is your big nailer? So, striking out a lot of clothes because a lot of clothes are not my size. 18s, that's women. Nice karaoke. Oh my god, that's like a type of weird. That's it. Alright, so bottle opener. Just stuff, you know, by now, this time in the morning, all the really good precious stuff. I have one of these at home. This one's just a tad bigger than what I have. This actually looks pretty good, but not for $10. Maybe $2.
Good morning. Hi. How are you? Good. How you doing this morning? Severely arthritic.
I gotta spend some quality time with my cats. Cats,
Your kitties?
No, my anti-inflammatory cream. They're
Well, just do that and a good book and go sit
I'll
outside.
sit down, the cat will get on, and that'll be that.
Yeah, be that there.
Get whatever you want, because once you sit down, the cat gets on. I'll go sit out there and admire my good things.
Oh, yes. You want with the
Yeah,
regular?
they
What's your color? What do you know?
Yeah, it's Jersey cream on the outside. But I
Oh,
didn't know
you don't
that
want cat.
because my own eyes also meant to do that.
Well, it would be very.
Some pictures and stuff. Just taking a picture of this thing. They want $1,400 for this, which is probably a steal. Usually what happens is that these things go dead because the battery's under the seat, and you're supposed to leave the seat up like that when you're not using it. Because when the seat is like this, the battery's partially engaged, and it drains it, and they end up thinking there's something wrong with the thing, and they get rid of it for $1,400. But it's in great shape. It's a nice little bag. It's a key box. I have a couple of them. Easy too. Yeah.
Really?
Interesting.
We actually went to the movie.
See, here's a 20 sifter. It's pretty cool. That's a gravity sifter. This is an interesting thing. This grinder. It's an old school one though. It's got a lot of blades, but there's no quick release, so you have to use an Allen wrench or something. There's another one over there. Interesting. Alright, so the prices I see over here are kind of upsetting. clothes over here. I don't see anything worth looking at. Let's go back at the tools. Most exciting stuff. Alright. Some solar powered animal containment system. Interesting. There's some painting stuff there. I see it. I'm always using painting stuff, but I got enough of it right now. Hair dryer. See, that's the same as that over there. Same thing. Sewing machine. So this is the last sale on my route today, but we'll see. But I stopped here yesterday. I spent like $15. So they said they're having more people stop over and bring stuff, so I wanted to stop by today and see if there's anything that I'm gonna see that I need. Cool stuff.
I've got a few more tools up here for sale.
Okay, I'll take a look at them. I need roofing screws. Doing some work on my aluminum roof. Looks like I'm gonna strike out here. See, I almost bought these 2 boxes yesterday. They're both for $20. As I took a detailed look at the boxes, they weren't worth it, so I'm glad I didn't buy it. It's got some interesting stuff. If there was an outside spigot, quarter turn, I'd be interested, but I don't see it. See, these are interesting things. And that's it. Alright, recap. Today was actually quite dismal. I should have spent a lot of money. I only spent $2. That's all I bought. I got all 3 cans for $2. So that can feel, it's a little partial. This is a little partial. That's still full. So that's terrible. So anyway, that's it. I spent $2. I could have spent more, but I held back. Looks like power could be out in this alley. I hope not, because I got some FP&L trucks here. They're making a ton of noise. And they were blocking my driveway too. So I don't know what happened, but looks like they're stringing a cable, power cable. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, hopefully better luck next weekend.